Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Are you tired of having your purse slide all over the passenger seat while you're driving? Well, with this awesome car accessory, the Car Cash Purse Holder, worry no more. Your purse has a perfect place to rest while you're driving. Let me tell you a little bit about why I love this car accessory so much. The installation of this accessory was effortless, literally like 1, 2, 3. I just wrapped the strings on the bottom of the holder around my center console. I clipped the top onto the head posts and finished up by just adjusting the strap lengths to make sure that the holder was taut and ready to be used. Within just a few moments, my purse had a designated, secure spot right at my arm's reach. I love how this purse holder seamlessly blends in with my Jeep's black interior. It really feels like an integrated accessory that's always been here to keep me ultra organized. So whether I'm carrying my charging cable, sunglasses, keys, or any smaller items, they can perfectly just get tucked into the netted pocket in the front of the holder. But also my larger purses or totes can easily rest against the holder as a hammock. This assures that my purse is secure, upright, and it won't slip into the back seat and spill all over. I actually really love that this also has freed up my cup holder space again for what they were designated for, my drinks on the go. I'm really grateful to have found this useful accessory. It's like having an extra set of hands while I'm on the road. The Car Cash Purse Holder is the key to a clutter-free and stress-free drive. And that's my point of view.